The GPT Store is out now, and I'm going to cover everything you need to know whether you want to use some custom GPTs or build some of your own. The GPT Store opens up many possibilities for how ChatGPT can help you. Let's dive into how the GPT Store works and how you can get your own GPTs published there. Previously, when you were inside your ChatGPT Plus account, you would have this Explore button. And when you click on it, you could see the GPTs that you had created, as well as some GPTs by ChatGPT. Now, when you click the Explore GPTs button, that will take you into the GPT Store homepage. When you're on the homepage, you will immediately see a search bar, as well as some featured GPTs. Now, these are curated by OpenAI and will be updated with new featured GPTs every week. There's also trending GPTs and then these different categories. So we can see these are GPTs created by the ChatGPT team, GPTs that use DALL-E, so they're specific to creating images. We've got writing, productivity, research and analysis, programming, education, and lifestyle. And much like the App Store on iOS devices, you can go here and search through GPTs to discover and find more for specifically what you're looking for. But right now, in addition to this, you can create and publish your own GPTs in the store. And it is a pretty easy process to do that. You'll see in the top here, you have the My GPT section and the Create button. Once you have created your GPT, you want to go up here in the top right corner, make sure you have Publish to set to everyone, and then you can also select a category of where this GPT should appear in the store. And it's really that simple. All you have to do is make sure that your GPT is public for everyone and that you have selected a category. In addition to that, what you might want to do is adjust your builder profile, which you can do by clicking Edit here. And you can either have your name appear here as the author of this GPT, or you can optionally verify your website and have a link to your site appear. OpenAI has also published a blog post about the GPT Store, and they mentioned that there have been already more than 3 million GPTs created. There is a lot to try out and discover here. And they also give you some quick instructions about how you can include your GPT in the store, as well as mentioning that builders will be able to earn based on GPT usage. So this was originally announced at the OpenAI Dev Day, and the full details haven't been revealed yet. I expect that OpenAI wants to get a better idea for themselves what the usage will be like, but they mentioned in Q1 of this year, they will launch a builder revenue program. And what that means is eligible builders first in the US will get paid based on user engagement with their GPTs. So that essentially means as a creator, you can build this GPT that you can create for free. You can allow people to use for free. There's no hosting costs or API costs on your end. And then if it becomes popular and starts to be used by many people, you will get a percentage of revenue based on how many people are actually using that. So very similar, it sounds like, to YouTube and Twitter or X's creator monetization programs. But the GPT Store wasn't the only thing announced today. The team plan for ChatGPT also got released. And as soon as I saw this, I upgraded my account for my team because previously I had paid for a Plus subscription for each of my team members, but now we can all collaborate together more easily. Our chats will not be used for training data by default, and there is a higher message cap. So if you're watching this and you have a team that you're working on right now, then it could be a nice plan for you. With the new GPT Store, how do you know what GPTs to get started with? Well, after you're done checking out maybe some of the featured and trending GPTs, I built 3 GPTs that I have released publicly in the store for you to try out. One of them is a GPT that is included with my flagship AI course, AI Elevate, that teaches you how to better leverage AI in your business. That GPT is called Prompt Expert. It's going to take any prompt that you're writing and help you refine and improve it to better work with ChatGPT or a custom GPT that you're creating. The next one is decision analysis, and this one is something I just built for my own personal use, but I felt would be great for others as well. And whenever you're struggling to kind of decide between a few different things, you can give those options to the decision analysis GPT, and it will actually build out this entire report for you of the pros and cons, the different ways to look at it, as well as its suggestion of how to proceed. So it's a really nice way to have a kind of another viewpoint of any decision you're trying to make. Finally, there is a GPT for my podcast, The Creator's Adventure, that I made. And this has access to all of the transcripts from my podcast. You can use that to ask questions about the different episodes and guests that I've had on. Now, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to be able to better write some prompts and learn how to create these custom GPTs yourself, check the recent videos on this channel, as well as the links in the description. I made some videos specifically about how to write prompts for AI and how to build custom GPTs. In addition to that, if you want to go even deeper, I built the first course on how to create your own custom GPTs and leverage AI in your business. Again, that's called AI Elevate. It's only $99 for lifetime access, and I'll add a link to that in the description as well. There is so much potential for creators this year. It's only the start of 2024, and already we have all these things happening. So I encourage you to check out the GPT Store today and start building.